Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar end links in a second gen Tacoma. Let's jump into it. First things first, we got to take off our tire. Let's jack it up, chock the tires in the back, and put this thing on jack stands. And with the tire out of the way, let's go ahead and remove the sway bar end link right here with our 17mm wrench or socket, and remove the nut right here. There's also one right here on the actual sway bar itself right back here. I've noticed that when removing this part can spin in here. So we're going to grab our locking pliers and hold it right here. Lock them down, hold it while we remove the nut right there. And once those two nuts are removed, there's your sway bar end link out of there. Now you can go ahead and install your new one. So really not a whole lot to it. I mean, it's a little part, but pretty easy preventative maintenance to get done. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.